In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to enable developer options on your Android device, whether it is a phone or a tablet, and I'm gonna also show you how to access the developer options and how to disable them in case you don't need them anymore.
The first thing you need to do is to go to Settings, and under Settings, you need to scroll to the bottom to find something called About. So it might differ slightly here, the About, its location from device to device. Usually it is here. So tap on About, and then also scroll to the bottom until you find something called Build Number. When you find Build Number, you need to tap on it to go into it, and here you need to tap on it 7 times quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here it will tell you you need to enter your PIN so that you can go into the developer mode. So here I'm gonna enter my PIN, and now it says you are now a developer. So here I'm gonna show you how to enter into the developer options. So here always under Settings, you need to go under System, and here now you find a new menu called Developer Options. You tap on it and you can see whatever you want. I went into Developer Options to see under Bluetooth if my tablet supports LDAC for my Sony headphones. So I went here and I saw that it doesn't support, unfortunately, LDAC. It is grayed out. You might want to go into developer options for many other reasons. Now, to disable developer options, it's very easy. On the top here, you see use developer options. All you have to do is to turn it off. And notice how it disappeared from here. And when you want to go back to developer options, all you have to do is to repeat the same steps as I showed you before.
If this video was useful to you, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.